Amazon is retiring passwords and replacing them with mandatory passkeys across all accounts. The transition begins within a 14-day window for Seller Central users, followed by a phased rollout for all remaining accounts. This is a forced transition. Amazon is deprecating traditional login methods entirely rather than offering an optional security layer. You must update your login workflows immediately to maintain access to your operational dashboards. This matrix shows the shift. Instead of entering text, you verify identity using biometric scans or a device PIN. The cryptographic key stays on your device. Unlike a password, it is never transmitted to a central server where it could be leaked. Cloud-based password managers are no longer the primary gateway. Access now requires the presence of the physical device itself. Amazon is enforcing this structural change across the platform to completely block credential harvesting and sophisticated phishing campaigns. In a traditional attack, a user is tricked into typing their password into a fake login page, handing over control. A passkey functions differently. It only releases credentials if the domain URL is an exact match, so a fake page cannot trigger authentication. This domain-bound logic prevents users from accidentally revealing their credentials, as there is no text string for an attacker to collect. By removing the human element from the login process, this update isolates Seller Central accounts from the most common forms of social engineering. To maintain compliance, follow these 3 steps. Check your device compatibility, register your passkey, and brief your team on the new requirements. Failure to complete these steps before the 2-week deadline will result in being locked out of critical operational portals. Amazon has replaced the reliance on memorized text with a requirement for verified physical hardware.